Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is May 12 and it's Mother's Day Sunday. So happy Mother's Day to everyone that is a mother. And today this is my fourth translation from English to Visayan to Tagalog to Visayan. So my goal is I'm gonna make 100 of this. So this is my fourth one, so way to go. So this topic is common words used for live streaming. So I'm gonna pick some words that are using for uh, common in live streaming, and so I titled it "Common Words Used for Live Streaming." Translation from English Tagalog to Visayan. So okay, I think I have 11 words here. It's not gonna take long. It's gonna be like 3 minutes. Let's get started. I hope you guys will learn something from this. So first, so I put it here English to Tagalog to Visayan. Number one, my number one word is visiting, pagbisita, pagbisita. That's the same in Tagalog and Visayan word. So in English, thank you for visiting. Tagalog, salamat sa pagbisita. Salamat sa pagbisita. Number two, next time. Sa susunod, sa sunod. See you next time. Kita tayo sa susunod. Kita na punta sunod. And number three, day, araw, adlaw. How is your day? Kumusta ang araw mo? Kumusta ang imong adlaw? I forgot to put question marker. I still can't put it. There. It fixed. And number four, wave, ikaway, ikaway. So it's the same Tagalog and Visayan here too. Wave your hand, ikaway mo ang iyong kamay, ikaway ang imong kamot. Number 5, people, people, tao, tao. So many people here. Ang daming tao dito. Kadaghang tao dinhi. Alright, let's get to number 6. Start, magsimula, magsugod. When do you start? Kailan ka magsimula? Kanusa ka magsugod? Right? 7. Voice, boses, tingog. You have a nice voice. Ang ganda ng boses mo. Kanindot sa imong tingog. Oops. Number 8. No, number 7. Number 8. Follow. Susundan. Musunod. I will follow you. Susundan kita. Musunod ko nimo. Number 9. Movie, palabas, salida. The movie is long. Ang taas ng palabas. Kataas sa salida. Number 10. Friends. Mga kaibigan. Mga amigo o amiga. For some reason in Visayan, we don't have like just all kaibigan, girl and boy. But here we had to see amigo or amiga. This is the same word they use in Spanish also. Amiga and amigo. That is, amiga is a friend female and amigo is a friend male. So we don't have just one words for those. So if you have a male friend, you call them amigo, and if you have female friend, it's amiga. So mga amiga o amigo. You have lots of friends. Marami kang mga kaibigan. Daghan kag amigo o amiga. Amiga o amigo. Alright. 12. 12. Friends, and then 11. We're in 11. Oh, this is the last one already, so it didn't really take very long. So 11, good, maganda, maayo. You have a good day. Magandang araw sa iyo. Maayong adlaw sa imo. So that's all, guys. So the words that we have the same words for Spanish, because the Spanish went to the Philippines a long time ago to the religion, Catholicism. That's why we have lots of words that we use it in the Philippines, Spanish words, but we don't, we still don't understand Spanish if you put it in the sentence because they talk really fast. Like us, we talk really fast. That's why it's hard to learn that um, quick. Just words. We share some words. So this is amiga o amigo. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming. I will see you in my next video. 100 video for this translation to English to Tagalog to Visayan. That is my goal. So hopefully I can make at least two videos in a week or three, something like that. I will do it as much as I can if I have a weekend time. So we'll see you in my next video. Happy Mother's Day. You take care. Bye.